Make your time count. 13 principles for a life well lived. Most of us move through life as though we'll live forever, but the average human lifespan is roughly 30,000 days. If you're 30, over a third of that is already behind you. Someday is one of the most dangerous words in the English language because it disguises procrastination as intention. Time perception. Your brain measures time through new experiences. Childhood felt endless because everything was fresh and worth recording. Adult routines, by contrast, blur together. Your brain stops paying attention and years evaporate. The antidote is novelty. New routes, new skills, new conversations. Also worth remembering, we tend to overestimate what's possible in a day, while dramatically underestimating what's possible in a year. Priorities, busyness, and productivity are not the same thing. A useful test. Imagine yourself at 90, looking back. What will have mattered? Write down everything you want to accomplish, circle your top 3, and treat everything else as an avoid list. Small daily investments in the right things compound over time. Distractions don't just waste hours, they redirect your life. Relationships. Think of relationships as bank accounts. Small, consistent deposits, a check-in text, remembering a detail, showing up during hard times, matter more than grand gestures. Shared struggle often creates deeper bonds than shared pleasure. Even casual acquaintances are valuable. They open doors that close friends can't. And paradoxically, giving your time to others makes you feel like you have more of it. Career. The best opportunities sit just outside your comfort zone. Early in your career, optimize for learning over salary. Skills are lottery tickets that pay out later. Careers no longer follow a straight ladder. They look more like a jungle gym. And lateral moves often build the most distinctive combinations of expertise. Comfort, held too long, becomes quicksand. Health. Your health is a multiplier for everything else. 8 energized hours outperform 12 exhausted ones. Sleep is not optional recovery. It's when your brain consolidates decisions and emotions. Movement clears mental fog. Short bursts of physical activity throughout the day add up. And your body was never designed for 8 hours in a chair. Learning, the fastest way to truly understand something is to teach it. You don't need to be